Hey guys, welcome to my channel Anu Specials. Today I'm sharing a super healthy and nutritious ladoo with ragi. Ragi is one of the best source of calcium when compared to any other grain. It is an excellent source of natural iron and thus perfect for those with iron deficiency and anemia. These ladoos are a healthy snack for kids and perfect healthy ladoo for the whole family. So let's get started with the recipe. The ingredients we require to prepare ragi laddu are 1 cup peanuts, 1 cup jaggery, 2 spoons of desi ghee, 2 cups of ragi flour and 1 cup of raisins. First let us put the frying pan on the stove and dry roast 1 cup of peanuts. Once the peanuts are roasted, shift them to a plate. Now on the same frying pan, put 1 spoon of desi ghee. And once the ghee is heated, add in 2 cups of ragi flour. Stir it often so that ragi flour doesn't burn. Once it is nicely roasted, transfer it to a bowl and allow it to cool down. Now we're going to peel the roasted peanuts. This is the main healthy fat in this recipe. Now to blend everything together, I'm using my blender jar. Into the blender jar, I'm adding 1 cup of roasted peeled peanuts, 1 cup of jaggery, 1 cup of raisins and blend it together. As you can see, you need to blend all the ingredients coarsely and you don't have to make it fine powder. Then add 2 cups of ragi and blend it. Now take the whole mixture into a bowl and add in 2 spoons of ghee. Now mix in the whole mixture. Once it is nicely mixed, just take a small portion like this and tightly roll it into round ladoos. Now repeat the same process for the whole mixture. So I have rolled all the ladoos together. That's it guys, sugar-free ragi ladoos are ready. Do try this nutritious healthy recipe and tell me in the comment section how it came out. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.